boatyard. The one right behind the gas station.
Yeah.
Right next to that empty lot.
Yeah, I guess he was coming home from Julia. One of his neighbors came over to see.
If they were using my engine, they would have made it because nobody did it.
My guess is he probably pulled out and didn't see the car and
Yeah.
pulled out.
Yeah.
Because we didn't